The question of whether finance will be replaced by AI is complex and involves various perspectives. Here are some pros and cons to consider. Pros: efficiency. AI can automate routine financial tasks, allowing for faster and more accurate processing of data, reducing the risk of human error. Data analysis. AI systems excel at analyzing large sets of financial data, identifying patterns, and making predictions. This can help in making informed investment decisions. Cost savings. Automating repetitive tasks through AI can lead to cost savings for financial institutions by reducing the need for extensive manual labor. 24/7 availability. AI systems can operate continuously, providing 24/7 availability for tasks such as trading or customer service. Risk management. AI algorithms can assess and mitigate risks more quickly and effectively than traditional methods, enhancing overall risk management in finance. Cons. Job displacement. The automation of tasks may lead to job displacement for certain roles in finance, particularly those centered around routine, rule-based activities. Lack of human judgment. AI lacks the human touch when it comes to complex decision-making, emotional intelligence, and understanding of broader economic contexts. Bias and fairness. If not carefully designed and monitored, AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify biases present in historical financial data. Security concerns. As financial systems become more dependent on AI, there is an increased risk of cyber threats and the potential for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities. Over-reliance on technology. Over-reliance on AI without a proper understanding of its limitations could lead to unintended consequences and systemic risks. Opinion. While AI is likely to play an increasingly significant role in finance, it's less about replacement and more about augmentation. AI can enhance efficiency, data analysis, and decision-making, but human expertise is crucial for ethical considerations, strategic thinking, and understanding the broader economic and social implications. A balanced approach that integrates AI capabilities with human oversight is likely the most effective and ethical path forward in the future of finance. Remember, this is a nuanced topic, and the impact of AI on finance will depend on how it's implemented and integrated into existing systems. In conclusion, the integration of AI in finance brings both opportunities and challenges. As we navigate this evolving landscape, striking a balance between the efficiency of AI and the expertise of human judgment is key. What are your thoughts on the future of AI in finance? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest discussions in finance and technology. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI and finance. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.